Hi, do you want to take your Excel game to the next level? We're going to do that using XLOOKUP, which is a better version compared to VLOOKUP. Now we are going to type XLOOKUP. You can see the data. I've got order, data as a sheet, then customer list as in a different sheet. So I want to pull what we have on customer list to be on the order list. So I'm going to do that using XLOOKUP. You can see the common figures here. We got customer ID to both. So just type X lookup. Then lookup value is the column below customer ID on the order sheet. Then lookup array is going to be the column under customer ID on the customer list. Then comma, the return array, we are going to have the customer name and sales rep under customer list, and we are going to highlight the all of it. Now use Control Shift down to highlight the two, comma, opening quotes because I want it to return a blank. Close and enter. Now you realize because I pulled two columns at a go, you cannot use filler, so you drag down, and this is always tiresome. So alternatively, the easiest way is copy the first cell, then highlight the zone where you want to apply it, Control Shift down to highlight, right click, then paste formula. And there we have it.